Oh, folks, this is how the morning gardener saves money when he comes into a place like Lowe's or Home Depot. Now, see this bag right here, it all busted up. I would go get a manager and say, look, could y'all slide that in a plastic bag and I'll take that. Give me a price on it. Might be $1. Over here, peat moss. In the shipping, they busted it, taped it up. They'll give you a price on this. It normally goes for about $10.97. I'll go ahead and get that for probably about $8. This one here, somebody ripped the side of it open. I slide it in a bag. Nothing much missing out of it. A couple of, pieces missing out, but not much. And I get that for probably about $5. That's how you save money. It's the same. It's the same as the other ones. It's just that it's torn. The packaging is torn. Slide that right in a bag, and when I get it slid in there, slide it in the car, take it home, put it in the area where it won't get further damage. You got that real cheap soil. That's for filling in holes. Some people use it for gardening. How much is it? $1.89. Not too bad. Mostly feels like clay when you dip it and touch it. All right.